Hey guys, this is Life with Darlene. So today's video we're going to unboxing my new barista coffee maker and premium high pressure coffee and espresso system. So we're going to unboxing the box today so I can make my coffee. And let's get to it. Need a knife to open it. Okay, so I found a knife, so I'm gonna open it. So let me show you the back of the box first. So you can make your coffee, espresso. So you can make a lot of stuff, latte, whatever, you can make a lot. So you can make iced coffee. You can make a lot. So I don't know, it's my first time having it, so I just got it last night. I got it at BJ's. It was $140. So that's how it look. So now let's open the box. So we have like a code number. Maybe it's for, you get $20 off. And they come with the little cups. So let me open it so you can see it. So that's how the cup look like. Okay, so that's the box with that. So we still got more. So that's more little coffee. You open the box. So they are the same, but they're just different kind. See? Just different kind. And this one, I think it's the same as the other one. Small, medium. This one is small, medium. So it's the same thing. Now we're going to open the box. have to put it upside down because it's heavy. It's not light. It's very heavy. Okay. See, it's like it was inside another box. Jeez. Now we gotta open another one. Ah, shoot. Like I said, I got it at BJ's. It was $140. Got the plastic on it. I don't want to drop it now. Now I gotta move the box. Yeah, big box. So that's how the coffee maker look. Oh, that's the top. That's the top of it. So that's where you put the little cups, the coffee cups. And that's where, and you close it, you see? And you close it when you're making the coffee. On the back, that's where you put the back, that's where you put the water. So the water go through here. So let's fix it. I think we put this one first. This one first. And I think this one will take this one right here. Nope. There's a number 2. Gotta take off the tape. You know, they always come with a tape. So that probably go through here, maybe. I don't know. I'm trying to think. I think this one go through here. Yes. That's where you put the water. I took off the tape on it. All the stuff have tapes on it. this side. Okay, and put the top. So that's where the water goes through. Turn it around. Okay, right here. I guess this is like for when the coffee spill, it fell inside of it. So that's what it is. Okay, I'm gonna go right here. That's it. Now I'm going to plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. So turn it on. See the light blinking? And you turn it off. Turn it on. So, and you put the coffee maker, you lift it, put the coffee maker here. The coffee, not coffee, yeah, the coffee cup, you know what I mean. Put the coffee cup inside. But I'm not making the coffee right now, so just gonna show you. And I guess that's it. So that's the coffee maker. Okay, I guess that's it. And I guess I will see you on my next video. Don't forget, like and subscribe and share, and and thank you. And I will see you next time. Bye.